Okay, we're going to have a word with the finalists. It's taken a long time to get here, hasn't it? Feels like a week to me as well. Now, you've had a great deal of success with this baby. Have you got any sort of battle plans for the final? Have you got a sort of idea of what you want to achieve?
I want to flip him out, that's what I want to do.
Absolutely. So it's basically just attack, 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 yeah?
Yeah, same as first fight we had earlier on in the competition, he beat us. The second fight, we beat him, so this is the decider.
This is it. This is where it all comes down to. Let's have a chat with our young man over here. Always cool, always composed. How are you?
Fine, I think.
You're not nervous at all?
Yeah.
Of course you are. You wouldn't be human if you didn't. So you've had a few problems with your machine, but it is one of the best machines here, isn't it?
Yeah, it's gone well today, and it's stood up some of the best robots, so hopefully that'll continue in this fight.
I think it's fair to say that all the robots here, all 48 of them, have all done our sport very, very proud. They've all worked extremely hard at creating an entertaining atmosphere here at the show this weekend, but it all does come down to this, so I wish you the very best of luck, buddy. Good luck, pal. All of it, all of the effort, all of their efforts boil down to this one moment in time. Explosion in the black. Beauty 2 with a hydraulic lift at the front.
Pneumatic.
Or the gas lift.
From Team Invade, the number 2 seed. Explosion.
Explosion. Second last year and second the year before, so he has got a
Team
grudge match.
Beast, the 2008 and 9 UK champion. Beauty 2.
Round of applause for the Beauty team, the Beast team. Here it goes.
Get ready.
Here we go. The final.
3, 2, 1.
Let's bring on the war. Come on, make some support, give us some shouts. We need some encouragement. Beauty 2 took a bit of a beating there, but it could be over very quickly if not. If Beauty 2 doesn't get out of the way, the final of the Robo Challenge Cup between Beauty 2 and Explosion. 3 minutes of non-stop action. Beauty 2 can't right himself. He needs to right himself, but careful. That's it, he's back in the game. We have a 2013 Robo Challenge champion. Let's have some noise, make a shout, make a scream for Explosion! Well done! Fantastic! What an absolutely epic battle! Wonderful! Just a shame it didn't last a little longer, but you're always going for the kill. Beauty 2 against Explosion. Explosion takes the title. Explosion is the UK champion 2013. Well done. That's actually look at that. Very like that. It's all the team there, well done. It's a great team effort between father and son. The moms and dads and aunts and uncles all get involved with these guys travelling across the country. Battling against each other, but it does go back to this. We have a photo opportunity with we're looking at